Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 1 Eynsham Close, which is a 3-bedroom link detached house on a corner plot and also vacant, as in no onward chain. So my name is Gary from WhiteKnights, of course. If you have any questions, please do call me. The number's on the website. But for the time being, let's start the tour. So firstly, Eynsham Close is a pleasant cul-de-sac. Just around the corner there is the very end of the cul-de-sac. I'm just going to spin round and just show you the entrance. This is Ravensbourne Drive, and going full circle, it's a lovely quiet spot, and there's the property again. Sorry about the sunshine into the lens. So let's just move to the right and show you the garage with the driveway, and then let's take a look inside. So like I said, there's no onward chain with this property, and it's basically on a corner plot backing directly onto Woodford Park. So it's a really nice location. I will show you the view that we have out the back windows in just a moment. Right, so I'm going to turn around a second here and just show you the entrance porch. There's the front door I've just come through. So UPVC double glazed sealed unit door. The windows, double glazed sealed unit windows as well. There's the staircase there leading to the first floor. So let's just spin around and let's start with the lounge. So the lounge, front aspect. Let me show you the view out the front there. There's the radiator under there. It's gas radiator central heating. I'll show you the boiler. The boiler is located in the garage. Understairs storage cupboard there in the distance. And then we have a door leading through to the kitchen dining room. So first of all, the dining area. As you can see, plenty of room for a dining table and chairs. There's the radiator there as well. You've got French doors onto the garden. And then spinning around here, the kitchen with an island unit there. So let's first of all focus on the eye level units. Plenty, as you can see. That's a glass fronted one there. And then looking down, we've got appliance space, built-in oven and hob, and then more units, and also underneath the island unit. And then looking over towards the dining area. So the rear here, I'm just going to show you the view that we've got from the rear garden. Sorry, from these French doors rather, of the rear garden. As you can see, we're not overlooked at all because I'll show you from the upstairs window because you've got a view across Woodford Park. So certainly the location is one of the features of this house. Let's now make our way upstairs. I'll show you the outside and the garage at the end of the tour. So upstairs, ahead of us we have the bathroom and then 3 bedrooms. Let's just start in the bathroom, shall we? It's a white suite, as you can see. There's a heated towel just to the right hand side. Fully tiled walls, got electric shower over the actual bath, and the window there. So a nice modern bathroom suite. Let me just spin around, give you an idea of the landing. There's the staircase. We have access to the loft. I'll just tip upwards, there you go. And then on the right hand side here, just going to quickly show there, we have the hot water tanks, the airing cupboard of course. Nice that little light comes on for me. So let's start with the 3 bedrooms, with the main bedroom rather. This is at the rear. Plenty of space for a double bed just tucked in there. We have got wardrobes that are fitted here. Let's just show you those. And I'm just going to turn around as I priced the view across the park. Very nice. In fact, dare I say, it doesn't really feel as though we're in Woodley because there's not many parts of Woodley that you'll get a view like that. So So stunning location really. This is south facing as it's lunchtime as I'm doing this, and the sun, as you can see, is coming into the lens of the camera when I point towards the rear, so that'll tell you it is a south facing rear garden. Right, second bedroom is this front one here. Again, double room, there's a radiator under the window, double air sealed unit front window there. And a bit of shelving in the corner. And then just back onto the landing to my left here, then we've got the third bedroom here. Again, front aspect with the radiator under the window. You'll notice that the windows have the Georgian bar, which obviously just gives it a slightly nicer look. The Georgian bar is also to the rear windows, which is again just makes the house look nice from the rear as well. So that is the house. Right, so let's now take you out into the rear garden. So whilst we're walking through location wise, yes, it's at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's a very quiet cul-de-sac, but within walking distance of Woodley shopping centre, simply by walking through the park. I'm guessing it'll probably take you less than 10 minutes to walk to Woodley shopping centre, and as I said, a very nice walk as it is. So let's focus on the garden. Let's just have a walk around here, just show you. It is very wide. I mean, this property has so much potential to extend. I appreciate, obviously, that's always subject to planning permission, of course, but if you look at the side piece of garden we have here, lots of potential. There's the garage door to the left-hand side, which I'll show you in just a moment. So the garden is all enclosed by panel fencing. And then if I just step here, and I'm going to raise the camera up and just point to what we have out the back here. Lovely location. Right, so let's finish by showing you the garage. This is where the boiler is located. The boiler is approximately 11 years old, was recently serviced as well. So, garage with the up and over door. We've got roof storage space. Let's just turn around. And there's the boiler. It's a Worcester Bosch boiler. You may have noticed that the tank in the airing cupboard upstairs looks a fairly new tank. I imagine that was probably replaced at the same time the boiler was. Usually that's what happens. Let's just go back inside to finish. It's a little bit windy out here. Hopefully that's not affected the microphone too much. Apologies if it has. So yeah, so that's number 1 Eynsham Close. As I said, no onward chain, totally empty. Well presented house. And any questions, the number's on the website. Ask for myself, Gary. Otherwise, same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Just remains me to say thank you for watching.